Hey everyone, I am Mondira and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very close to my heart because I have created this Bengali New Year special Poila Boisakh glam look. Perfect makeup look for welcoming the Bengali New Year with full glam. This look is bold, festive and glowy, just how I like it for our festive look. I will be walking you through each step with the products I use and why I love them. So let's create this makeup look together. After completing the full skin prep, it's so important to make your makeup last long and look flawless. Here I am using the iconic MAC Strobe Cream as an illuminator. It adds a subtle glow from within, great for dull skin days and for achieving that dewy festive finish. Next I am applying PSU Zero Pore Primer in my T-zone. This blurs out texture and fills in pores beautifully. It gives you that smooth base we need before foundation. Yes, I use setting spray before foundation too. It helps in locking the hydration and sets the prep. This beauty setting spray is an affordable gem and works surprisingly well. Now that our skin is prep, and let's move on to the base makeup. I am using the Recoat Concealer Palette to correct and conceal the under eye darkness first. The formula is creamy and blends really well, great for beginners too. This PSC foundation gives medium to full coverage and has a natural matte finish. It's lightweight and doesn't feel cakey even after layering. PSC and Huda Beauty Highlighting Concealers. I use both. PSC one to conceal and brighten the under eyes, and the Huda Beauty is for the highlighting the high points of the face. The Huda one is full coverage and gives a lifted look instantly. Now it's time to add dimension. I am using Pixie's On The Glow Bronzer to cream contour my face. Again I am using Pixie On The Glow Blush Stick for that juicy flush on the cheeks. They blends like a dream and gives a natural finish. I will set everything in place with Laura Mercier's loose powder, especially the under eye and the around the mouth area to avoid crease. To fill in and shape my brows, I used K-Beauty's eyebrow pencil. It's creamy, pigmented and gives very precise strokes. My full base is set and now it's time for the most exciting part, the eye makeup. Now I will create this eye makeup in this eye. I am using this PSC concealer as an eye base to make the pigments pop and last longer. You can use any of your concealer or a proper eyeshadow base. For the eyes, I have created a black and gold festive glam look. I used a matte black to create depth in the outer corner with the brown base and a shimmer gold in the center of the lid for the traditional touch. A soft smudged kajal under the eyes pulls the whole look together and gives that dramatic Bengali vibe. So I have completed my eye makeup look. I have done my eyeliner and fixed the false lashes in the off camera to save the time. Locking in all the cream products with another Spritz of Swiss Beauty setting spray. Now let's define the face even more with powder products. I love using Rimmel's bronzer over my cream contour. It's buildable and adds a warmth to the skin without looking orange. These iMagic blush palette are so pigmented and smooth. I am using a soft coral pink to add the fresh Bengali glow. Last touch of glow with this MAC highlighter. It gives that wet shine on the high points. Perfect for festive lighting. The showstopper of this look is this MAC Ruby You lipstick. I will create a red lips with this brown lip liner. Finally locking the whole makeup with this PSC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. It's super fine mist and it will go to the every corner of your face. This is my final makeup look and if you are wondering about the hairstyling, it's just a voluminous soft bun. You just need a bun catcher to recreate this look, and I will be sharing this full hairstyling and the eye makeup tutorial in my YouTube shorts, so please check that too. If you enjoyed this video, please give a big thumbs up and comment down below your Poila Boisakh plans, and don't forget to subscribe for the new video.